welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to make some with no glue. And so basically, first you need some of this stuff. Let me show you. Some of this regular shampoo. This beautiful. I guess you could just use this shampoo. I think it only works with this shampoo because I tried other shampoos. So make sure you get this one. It's called borax. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it does a little bit too much shampoo. But yeah, make sure to use that kind. And put how much you want sun. But I wouldn't say put all, like, if you want to make a giant sun, I wouldn't say put all of it, then it'll get too much out of control. I'm just doing like a little teaspoon. And then you need some of this. And this is actually an activator. So, well, no, sorry, it's activator. So you need this one, this kind. And I think you just use all the ingredients that I have, all of them. Okay, so yeah, put maybe a few drops. That's how mine looks like right now. Like that, and then mix it for a little bit. Okay, I got like a little fork, this tiny straw. And you think that might be it for it? Since it's already coming together. But it's not it. You need a pinch of salt. It's like the rainy day one. I don't know what it's called. But maybe you could just use any kind of salt. And then, well, not in that. Okay, so yes, a sprinkle right here. It's nice. Oh my gosh, I need to wash my hands. It's so sticky. I think I need to put some more salt. Okay, I'm back. Another tip for a while. Tutorial with it. So, a little bit like that much salt. Then, of course, put it in. What else would you do with it? Then mix it. Is that it? Oh my god, guys. This is working. So fast. So then you can see that all come together, and that's the end actually. So you could just get it on the table and keep playing with it, but not right yet. And the TV is on, so no brainer. Okay, put it right there. The TV's on. Oh, there. Everything is okay. Okay. Now that we've got that going, we can just put this on the table and tell you how to play with it. Let's see if this is real or fake. Okay, I got a napkin right here that you saw, so I'm getting it. Okay. So here's I should show it. So there it is. Touch it very gently and slow. And then you're good to go. Whoa, this is really cool, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you like it more than that. And notifications if you love it more than that. Even if you see all the videos and you didn't like this video. But still, we have fun videos in mine. So make sure to always stick around our channel. Goodbye.